BB Naija lockdown. I will choose friendship over relationship with Dora, Ozo tells Eric. The lover boy in BB Naija Lockdown Season 5, Ozo, is in no mood for relationships in the house, as he sounds it clear to Eric that he would rather choose friendship over any intimacy with Dorothy or anyone. He engaged Dorothy in a conversation in the presence of Eric, where Dorothy spoke about the ill feelings other housemates have for her because they see her as the obstacle between Ozo and Nengi, and she is not ready for such, so she would quit the friendship for him to focus on Nengi. She added that his presence around her even prevents other guys from approaching her, which again makes her feel uncomfortable. Eric asked for a man-to-man chat with Ozo, where he admitted that Dora is by far his favorite person but would choose friendship over relationship with her and anyone. In his words, he said, "If you give me like the friendship me and Dora have, and having a relationship with anyone in this house, I'll pick the friendship I have with Dorothy." Eric then advised him to keep Nengi's name out of his conversation with Dorothy. He passed a funny comment about Dora having feelings for Ozo, which he stylishly ignored. Obviously, Ozo doesn't want any relationship in the house. He's not ready to be in a relationship in the house. And it's just a pity that Dorothy is already catching feelings. And because of Ozo being around her, other guys are staying clear of her because they think she's in a relationship with Ozo. And some also think she's distracting Ozo from being in a relationship with Nengi. It's a very dicey situation for Dorothy. I hope she get through this. Okay guys, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.